Hello everybody, welcome back to Bell CB. Got a Galaxy 939F. That's a new radio for you. It's a small version of the 939. We've also got a new microphone. The SL41 from Palomar. It's a noise canceling mic. It's got a little bit of amplification in there. It's a little battery inside. It sounds real nice. Good sounding mic. Let's start with the power all the way down. We'll check it out over here on this watt meter, 0 to 10 on the top scale, all the way down to 1, and all the way up is 6. Peak power reading is going to be on a 50 watt slug, being right over here between 30 and 40. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. See if you can hear it a little bit. I'll turn this up. Too much. Audio. Turn my gain. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty good sound microphone. That's right. Check, check. Okay, out on the air. How about at channel 19? Can I get a radio check, please?
Yeah, radio check working.
Taylor, I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Anytime, John. Anytime.